Hello again. Uh, Today I will show you how to connect your n8n workflow to the Facebook Messenger. So let's get started. So first, go to developer facebook.com. Then after you log in or register, you're going to redirect here on this dashboard. So here, let's create an app. So create an app. Then let's create app name. So for me, I will go in my case, I will go to just name this as in workflow test. Then your email. Then the use cases we need to find this one. So engage with customer on Messenger from Meta. So you need to select this one. Then next, after that, you have to need to create a business. So for me, I already created one, but can create here. So just like you, just like this one, you need to fill this form. So you need to have a business portfolio name. So anything you want. So first name, then business email. So okay, then I need to select this one. Next, then next, and overview next. Then after this, you've already created Facebook developer app. So you have to go to the next one is you have to go to use cases. Then we need to set up our Facebook Messenger. So get select click this customize. Then go to Messenger API settings. After that, you seen this configure webhooks. So let's close this one. And this is the important thing to connect your n8n workflow to Messenger. So on the configure webhooks, there are two fields, which is a callback URL and verify token. So where we need to get this callback URL? So you get this on n8n workflow. So go to n8n workflow. Webhook. If you don't know the webhook, so in your n8n, just type webhook. So this one. So on your webhook, you can see here this one. So there are two tabs here, the test URL and the production URL. You can use this production URL if you are already using this on live. But for now, we're going to test URL. So just let's delete this one. Then copy this. Then paste this one. Then we need the second one is a verify token. So you can this one is on your side on, on our side. So we can create anything. So I guess init and uh I guess okay. So we can use this one up here. So we need to authenticate this to Meta. So let's paste this one. To paste it, you need to verify it. And we got error. Why we get error? Because we need to uh, execute the workflow. So before we click this one, we need to execute this. So click this one, then after you added these two fields, click this, and now you're verified. So also the workflow will going to run. So let's test. Let's go back to use cases. Let's save this one. And this one. Let's check if it's verified. So it's verified. So as you can see, there's a check here, an icon check. So on the web fields, we must enable two fields, which is the message reads and the message. Enable it. Then, yeah, that's it for the web configure webhook. The next one is generate access token. So this is also important. So this is the one we communicate on Meta. So we need to generate a token. So connect, continue to your ano. Then select your page. This is your page. So if you don't have any page yet, so you can create on Facebook. So continue, save. Then got it. Mhm. Then after that, add subscription. So again, we need to check this message and message reads. So confirm it. Then, okay, as you can see, there are added two fields on our Facebook page. So the next one is we need to generate a token. So this is important things also. So click this, generate, then click this, understand, copy this. You need to copy this, then paste it here so you can remember it because we need to use this on n8n. Then done. After that, yeah, we have already done the setup messenger API. So we need to test it now if it's working. So let's go to uh, n8n workflow. Let's test this one if he if it's all let's test if it's already connected. So let's execute this. Then go to the page that I've connected. So this is the page. Then let's test. As you can see, the workflow has been executed. So if this one, okay, execute it. This one executed. So the uh, we've already successfully connected to the page, to the Facebook page. Then this is the message. So let's try again one more time. Let's message the Facebook our page here. So we need to have a response here. So let's get the recipient ID and the sender ID. So the recipient ID will be this page, and and the sender ID will be your ID. So you can find that ID here. So this one. So the sender ID will be me. Um, this one, then the recipient will be the page. So yeah, this one. So okay, let's test. And don't forget, you need this one. So this is the token that were generated in the Facebook developer on here. This one. So this is important. So again, paste this one. Then okay. Um, just let this. Let's say the message will be hello. This is from n8n workload. Then let's execute this. As you can see, yeah, it's already successfully sending on our page. So let's see on the page, our page. Okay, yeah, this one successful. So that's all, and thank you.